run this for a minute just to show that it works. These two hoses go back here. Bigger one is supposed to be attached here, which pumps fluid up to the wheel there. And then the catch basin comes out right here. That's the only thing to show on the fluid. There's the grinding wheel, the big one. That pretty much shows everything. This can be slowed down. Let it trip over. Maybe a little too slow to see. Adjust down all the way to essentially no movement. And then the end, the pause at the end is adjustable as well on the outside two knobs. Those are right there's where all the adjustments are. And as you can see, this keeps inching. Move the head can be moved. Forward, backwards. This can be flipped up out of the way. Hold it in place with a spin. This is the cover. The two holes you can see there, those are for those two screws right there to cover up this belt. It's the electrical cabinet, there's the cover for that.